It's a never-ending process, a flow so free. Body-mind moves like waves in the sea. Endless function, nature's way. No one owns it, let it sway. Return it back to nature, let it go. Not mine to hold, just watch it flow. Surrender is freedom, light and wide. No self remains, just the turning tide. The mind's a mirror, clear and bright, reflecting all yet holding light. Awakening deep, seeing through, not mine, not me, just passing through. Impersonal, fleeting, not to keep, belongs to nature, vast and deep. No chains remain, no walls to bind, just the dance of space and time. Return it back to nature, let it go, not mine to hold, just watch it flow. Surrender is freedom, light and wide. No self remains, just the turning tide. Impersonal, fleeting, not to keep, belongs to know yet holding light. Awakening deep, seeing through, not mine, not me, just passing through. Impersonal, fleeting, clear and bright, reflecting all yet holding light. Awakening deep, seeing through, not mine, not me, just passing through. Ooh, just passing through. Impersonal, fleeting, not to keep, belongs to know yet holding light. No chains remain, no walls to bind, just the dance of space and time.